Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is I'm So Glad Jesus Lifted Me. Awesome song, guys. Awesome praise and worship song. We're going to get into it. And this song is in the key of E flat. And this song was requested by, Kevin Dockery. Thank you so much, my friend, for giving us this awesome song. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we are in the key of E flat. Let's get it. That's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, and E flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, this is the time that we would stretch out our hands. Let's wiggle them. Let's get the nerves out. Let's crack them also. Yeah, let's crack them. Yep, let's get the nerves out. And let's receive this awesome song, Jesus Lifted Me.
Oh, I'm so glad Jesus lifted me. I'm so glad Jesus lifted me. I'm so glad Jesus lifted me. I'm singing glory, hallelujah. Jesus lifted me. Oh, I'm so glad Jesus lifted me. I'm so glad Jesus lifted me. I'm so glad Jesus lifted me. I'm singing glory, hallelujah. Jesus lifted me. Whoa, Satan had me down, but Jesus lifted me. Oh, you know, Satan had me down, but Jesus lifted me. Satan had me down, but Jesus lifted me. I'm singing glory, hallelujah. Whoa, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. Jesus lifted me. I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. Jesus lifted me. Yeah, I'm free, I'm free, I'm free. Jesus lifted me. I'm singing glory, hallelujah. Whoa, I'm so glad Jesus lifted me. I'm so glad that Jesus lifted me. I'm so glad Jesus lifted me. Singing glory, hallelujah.
This song is brought to you by FlowCue. Create a task, set a timer, and get it done. FlowCue. Available on the App Store.
To all my numerites, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with I'm so glad Jesus lifted me. I'm so glad Jesus lifted me. Let's stop right there. So guys, believe it or not, we only did 2 patterns in that whole thing. The first pattern is we're doing this 1 pattern. We're going to call it the 1 pattern because we're starting out on our 1. So we're going 1, 3, 5, 6. And then we start over. 1, 3, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5, 6. In our right hand, we're going E flat major chord to an A flat major chord. When do we change? We're playing our E flat major chord on the 1. When we get to our 5, right there, we're playing our A flat major chord. So let's try that. All right, so that's the first pattern. That's our 1 pattern. Here's our 5 pattern. All right, what are we doing here? We're playing a 5, going to our 7, our 2, 3, and back to the 5. In our right hand, we're playing this beautiful chord here. We're playing a B flat dominant 7, and we're playing that on the 5 and also the 2. So this sounds like this. All right, so that's our 5 pattern. And then we're going back to our 1 pattern. So let's put it together and let's try to play this song, right? Let's do our 1 pattern. I'm so glad. You ready for your 5? Jesus lifted me. Yep, 5 pattern. I'm so glad. 1 pattern. Jesus lifted me. Stay on the 1. I'm so glad. Okay, right here we're changing up. We're going to the 4. Now I'm going to introduce the 4 pattern. The 4 pattern is like this. We're playing an A flat major chord. We're playing a 4, 6, 1, 2, and back to the 4. So together it sounds like this. All right, here's the next part. Singing glory, hallelujah, Jesus lifted me. Let me give you that. So we're going singing, we're on our 5 flat, and we're playing this G flat diminished 7 chord. Glory, we're going to our 5, that's an E flat major chord. We're going to walk down to our 3, 4 to the 3. Right here on the 3, we're playing an F diminished 7 chord. Go up to your 6 flat. Hallelujah. We're going to our 6. Right there on the 6, we're playing our E flat 6 chord. We're going to our 6 flat. Beautiful gospel chord here, guys. Grab it. Jesus lifted me. All right, what is that? We're playing a 5. That's an E flat major chord. Going to our 2. Grab it. Lifted. So we're playing a B flat dominant 7 on the 5. Then we're going to our 7. Same B flat dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to our 1. That's the E flat major chord. So guys, if that's all I gave you, that's the whole song. So let's try to run through it all together. Let's start on our 1 pattern. I'm so glad. Get ready for your 5 pattern. Jesus lifted me. Stay there on 5. I'm so glad. Get ready for your 1 pattern. Jesus lifted me. Stay on the 1. I'm so glad. 4 pattern. Jesus lifted me. Singing glory, hallelujah. Jesus lifted me. And guys, that's the complete song. Now, of course, I can't just leave you there. We have to add more. So let me add a few things, right? So let's go. I'm so glad Jesus lived. I know you want it. Let me give it to you. Let me give it to you. All right. What am I doing? I'm doing this nice lick in between. So I'm playing these 2 notes right here. I'm playing a G flat and a C together. And what I'm doing is I'm sliding my G flat down to the F. See that? And then we're playing 2 notes, E flat and a C. All right, so let's try that. I'm so glad Jesus lifted me. That works nice, right? I'm so glad. Okay, what was that? Whoa, what was that? Let's stop. Let me give you that. So we're playing a G flat, G, B flat, C to the E flat. Beautiful, beautiful lick there. Right? It was something else I did in the song, right? I went, I'm so glad Jesus. Okay, yeah. Let me give it to you. I'm playing a 1. In my right hand, I'm playing a G. And I'm going down to the 7 flat. And I'm playing an F. I'm going down to my 6. And then I'm playing an E flat. We're going to our 6 flat. And then we're playing a D. And then right here, we're playing a 5 and a D flat. And then I'm playing this nice little progression. What is that? We're going to our 7, and we're playing this G flat and this C. And then we're playing our G and our D flat with our 1 in the bass. And then, of course, you just play the rest of it on the 4. Glory, hallelujah. So guys, I pray that this song have been a blessing to you, and please hit that like. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is stop carrying what can be removed. When I was younger, I had a tumor on my back. It started small, just a minor annoyance. As time went on, it grew larger and became more uncomfortable. Eventually, I couldn't even sit in a chair without feeling it. Even then, I kept putting off dealing with it. Finally, I said enough. I went to the doctor and I had it removed. The procedure took about 20 minutes. Just like that, years of discomfort were gone. I remember thinking, why did I wait so long? Life lesson. Many of us carry burdens for longer than necessary because we're afraid to face them. The thing you've been avoiding may not be as difficult as you imagine. Sometimes a few minutes of action can remove years of discomfort. Don't let delay steal your peace. Take the first step today. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And Kevin, I didn't forget about you. Thank you so much for that awesome request. Please request more. Guys, this is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. You know what? Some people tell me it takes a year to hit that button. I don't know why it takes a year, but you know what? I believe it takes 3 seconds. Let's try it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day, my month, my year, and I really appreciate you. You know what? You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK, and we're signing off.